Real quick reminder that in order for you to maintain access to your credit card accounts, it's very important to plan on using these accounts regularly. Typically, we recommend that you use every single credit card account you have at least once every 3 to 6 months. Now, I just received this letter that was a great reminder to me that says, we've noticed that you haven't used your Barclays Ring MasterCard account in quite some time. If you'd like to keep your account open, it needs to remain in good standing and must be used periodically. Please use your card within 60 days of the date of this letter to keep your account open. Guys, guess what? If they go out there and close my credit card account without my so-called permission, then my credit scores can actually take a dive. Why is that? Because now the availability that I originally had access to is suddenly reduced. For instance, if I had $10,000 available to me, each month I'm using, say, $2,500 of that $10,000, my utilization ratio is 25%. But if one of the, say, two $5,000 credit cards I have is now closed, I'm now left with just one $5,000 credit card, of which $2,500 is being used, and my utilization rate now doubles from 25% to 50%. It is very important that you guys preserve that availability, because that one movement, that change in my profile, is actually going to harm me. It's going to harm 30% of my overall credit score. The 30% of my credit is based on how much I'm borrowing compared to what's available to me. Furthermore, if they close the account, it can also affect the length of history that's associated with my account, as well as the mixture of accounts that are involved with my credit, which is an additional 25% of my score. So overall, 55% of my credit score can be affected by one credit card choosing to close. The way we stop that is we use them periodically, and every now and again, usually just one time per year, I recommend paying a very small amount of interest so that you are considered as favorable a borrower to that lender as possible, and they're even that much more likely to extend you more credit, which is another recommendation that we teach on this channel. Again, every 3 to 6 months, it's a good idea to ask if, based on your current payment history with that particular creditor so far, would they be willing to extend you additional credit? This means that you're not approving a credit inquiry, but this is how we maintain perfect credit. Stick around, make sure you're subscribed, or drop a like on this video if you want us to keep making videos on how to have perfect credit and how that can create massive wealth for you in the future. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, make it a great day and take care.